Yo, it's Friday, guys. It's the 8th of December. It's the last 8th of this year. That's crazy, ain't it? Guys, we got Christmas coming up real soon, but let's get into it today because I don't have much time. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Tank. This is the IBC Gang channel, Inspire, Believe, Create. It's what we do around here. Here we talk about everything that's happening in the traditional markets as well as crypto markets with a specific interest on what's happening each and every day with you, my friends. You guys thought I was going to say something else, but with you, because that's all we care about, guys. We do this for the viewers, for you guys. We provide food for thought for you guys to digest each and every single time that we go live that is hopefully beneficial for you guys in your trading and or investing journey. Again, none of this is financial advice. It's just me spitting out, regurgitating my humble opinion out here on the interwebs. But with that being said, guys, I want to jump right into it because I don't have much time. Like I said, I'm going to give a humongous channel sponsor shout out to Kajira.network. If you guys don't know about Kajira.network, you guys definitely are. And now it's the blockchain for real yield, the decentralized ecosystem for protocols, builders, and Web3 users seeking sustainable fintech. Absolutely love Kajiro.network, guys. I can only tell you guys right now, you guys need to go check them out. They actually just had a new listing here. Actually, you know what? Let me bring something up for you guys real quick. Let me see if I can find it real fast. They had a new listing here. Let me see here. Let me see if I can find it for you guys. Let me see if all here. Where's it at? They had a new one. Oh, where's it at? Where did they go? What did they do with it? I wasn't prepared. They had a new listing today. Nope, not that. Nope. I just saw it not too long ago, and I was like, "What word?" You know what? Let me do this because I feel like I'm failing everybody at this. I'm not going to fail you guys. I'm not going to fail you. We're going to get right into it. But Kajira.network just had a new listing. Let me bring it up here. Kajira. They just listed Rio. RIO is the ticker. RIO. If you guys didn't know, they just listed this. Let me see here. Let me share the tweet with you guys. Boom. Just listed it, I think a few hours ago today. So yeah, go check them out. Check out Rio, guys. You guys can learn more about their new listing here. They're going to have further incentives for this position, it looks like. So you guys definitely want to maybe front run some other people, and you guys will know that because you guys watch this channel. So maybe you guys get in a little bit before everybody else. Not financial advice though. I don't know how it works out. I did buy a little bit of Rio. Actually, let's go take a look. Let's actually go back real fast and let's see if we can find. How is this looking right now? Rio. Okay, wait. Oh, look at this. It's up 8%. 8% on the day here. 8% on the day here. Oh, it's down though. It's down. We're looking at the 1 hour here. Let me go to the 15 minutes. What goes up must come down, right? Ooh, look at that though. Look at that. I got me some Rio earlier. Absolutely love it, guys. How are you guys doing in the chat? Let me know in the chat how you guys are all doing. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Friday. With that being said, guys, again, definitely don't forget to go check out Kajira.network. We absolutely love them. The next channel sponsor of ours that I want to shout out, guys, is Jackal Protocol. If you guys don't know about Jackal Protocol, you guys definitely should as well. Jackal Protocol has a great product, right? If you guys are a streamer, if you guys have, maybe you guys launched an NFT collection, or maybe you guys just have NFTs and you guys are trying to store data in any means, you want to do that both obviously physically is my preferred choice, but you always want to have backups, and having a decentralized backup is my ideal way about going to do things. Jackal Protocol allows you to do just that for very, very cost and effective way. If you guys can see here, they allow you to use a personal drive of sorts. That you can do storage APIs, storage for Android, storage. Like, guys, check out their applications here. Cost you next. Actually, let's go ahead and just launch this. Does it launch? Well, let me just launch this here and see if I can show you guys how cheap it actually is. See if let me see here. Storage. Let me see if I can show you guys how cheap this actually is. Storage. Here we go. Boom. Look at their basic plan. 2 gigabytes, 1 terabyte, $8. 5 terabytes, $40. That's dope. That's good stuff. That's good stuff right there. But guys, check them out. Jackal Protocol. Absolutely love them. Thank you guys for being our channel sponsor. With that being said, let's go ahead and jump on in to the markets, guys. If you don't know, the markets are looking actually really good, especially if you're in the crypto markets. But let's go quickly and see what's happening with TradeFi. First thing we're going to take a look at is the Dow Jones on the daily time frame. Actually, we're on the weekly right here, but on the daily time frame, using market cipher as our favorite oscillator and indicator tool of choice. We broke up out of resistance, which was 35,525, and now we're trending. Now we're trending on upwards, closing the week strong, guys. We're up 0.36% on the day, guys. The Nasdaq is up 0.39%. Again, kind of coming back down. We told you guys cup and handle pattern. We're going to see if this resistance, which was previous resistance, holds up as support for us, guys. So far, it looks like it's doing just that. It came back down. Yes, it did thread through, but now it's above again and retesting to see if it wants to keep its head above water. We absolutely love it right now. The Nasdaq looking really, really good. I'm not gonna stay on a lot of these topics because I got to fire through. I got to rapid fire through things, guys. The Russell right now, 0.76% up on the day. We're coming up to the next level of resistance, which is 188.87. So be on the lookout for that, guys. SPX also having a great day, 0.41%. Again, just came above resistance, which was 45.46, and now it's trending on above, trying to get up past its true, really wick highs on these averages here, and so that it can come back up and try to retest the next level, which I think is going to be resistance 47.11. I think that's going to be a critical level again that we're going to have to overcome. But all in all, everything looks really good in the TradeFi markets, guys. We're going to go off the TradeFi markets real quickly and jump on into Bitcoin. Bitcoin have a fantastic day. It's 44,677, guys. It is up 3.2%. And this is a phenomenal. We're having a great time. We're having a great time in the markets right now. The next level of resistance, guys, is basically just where we're at right now. So we need to get above $45,000. That's going to be a humongous level of resistance. And it doesn't take a rocket scientist to kind of see this, guys. If you can see right here, previous resistance, right? Previous support, resistance, support, right here, support. And then you see resistance usually does hold up as further or ongoing resistance and or support in the future price points of whatever asset you're looking at. So when you zoom out, it doesn't take a genius to kind of recognize that this is going to be a critical level that we need to get above $45,000. If we do get above $45,000, guys, it can march really, really quickly. And I'm not joking, guys. It can march really quickly back up to amazing price points of like $50,000, $65,000. Really, truly, honestly can. And the reason why I'm saying this as well is if you guys don't know, if you just go ahead and take a look at, what's happening out there fundamentally or what's happening out there in the news, there is some fundamental things actually happening that people are front running right now. And I guess the bigger players want to tell you one thing while they do the complete opposite. But let's focus on what's actually happening out there in the markets. Now, if you guys don't know, on crypto.news, you can see that Fidelity has listed on DTCC their ticker for the spot Bitcoin ETFs. Now, this is stuff that you do when you're getting ready to list an ETF on the markets. These are things that happen before they get ready to list on the market. Now, if you guys go and take a look at other things, you can see that all of them right here, like they're all getting listed. They're all getting listed here, and so I think the cards are lining up perfectly to see a spot Bitcoin on the markets. That's not a guarantee, right? Like I could be totally absolutely wrong. Like, the SEC could just delay things and come up with any kind of reason to kind of push it back even further. They've been doing it for quite some time, but I think people are seeing news like this, and they're getting keen to the people who are trying to manipulate them or who have been manipulating the markets of all these years, and they're saying, not anymore, right? You're not. While access to information is so much more available to us, and we're able to actually kind of peek behind the curtains. No more. They can only play this possum game for so long, right? But yeah, absolutely love it. If you go into other news here, you can see that there was other news as far as CZ being detained here in the United States. Basically, the judge is saying that Binance founder CZ is not allowed to actually go back. It has to stay in the U.S. for sentencing. Amongst that, other news was the GTO, or was it the JIT token, saw a humongous amount of trading volume on its first day. I know a lot of people made off like bandits with that. So shout out to everybody that was able to get a hold of that. I know I don't think I did get to see that. I had some Solana. I have some Solana on my, I think, I have a Soulflare wallet, which is probably not the best wallet from back in the day. But I just have left it there. I haven't even checked. That's on me. I probably may have missed out on some money, but like Shout out to everybody that did get it in on that airdrop. Speaking of airdrops, guys, there was quite a bit of airdrops recently in the Cosmos ecosystem, and I just kind of want to really quickly go through that real fast. Hopefully, I can find that for you guys. Hold on one second. Let me see if I can find that for you guys. There was a lot of airdrops just recently. Give me one second. Give me one second here. Try to pull it up for you guys. Try to pull it up for you guys. I was just not ready. I'm just not ready for all this. My wife went on a walk and I was like, "Ooh, I can do it. I can do a stream real fast." So yeah, here we go. Here we go. This is one of the airdrops in the Cosmos ecosystem. Now, this is another geo blocked for US residents airdrop. So again, if you guys don't get it, like you're gonna have to, make your own call about things here. But if you guys can see here, we had another airdrop for people to actually claim that NAM airdrop. Um, Welcome to the club. A lot of people are having issues apparently when claiming this. It's the NAMA, and I will go ahead and let me actually link this to you guys here. This is not my thread, but I'm going to link it to you guys just so you guys can have it. This is Bell's, which we follow each other on Twitter. But I'll link this here for you guys to check it out. It's on you guys to get cooties. Don't take my word for it, but you guys can go here and check out their airdrop using this link right here. Is again, I'm an American citizen, so I'm geo blocked on a lot of things. But there's an airdrop there. I know we had another. You know what? Actually, let me take a look at something real quick for you guys. Let me take a look at something for you real quick. Airdrops. If you guys don't know, I'd really like to use airdrops_1 for all of my airdrop information. There is another airdrop here coming for TIA holders, for Celestia holders. It looks like Milky Way Zone is going to be coming soon. And then you can see here again another link for the NAM airdrop. If you guys want to check them out, I'm going to give you guys this link as well. I really like, shout outs to airdrop_1 or airdrops1. I really like using them to get a hold of all the airdrops that I possibly can in the space. There was a few others. Let me see. There was another one that I saw. Jin airdrop for Ginkgo. Again, guys, if you guys are in the whale community or in the Ginkgo community or any side of that fence for our ecosystem, you guys maybe want to be taking a look at that. There was an I guess Apollo relaunched their airdrop. I didn't follow that one too much. I really didn't follow that one all too much. But yeah, definitely go check them out. There's people now saying that airdrop season is upon us again. Be careful with that, especially if you're in the United States. You're going to have to do what you're going to have to do in regards to that. Make your own judgment calls or whatnot. But yeah, check them out. What else do we got, guys? What else do we got? Let's go back into the markets real quickly and take a look at price action for Atom. I think Atom has been doing extremely well over the past couple of days. Actually, yeah, let's go into that real quickly. Go ahead. Let's see here. Actually, before we do that, guys, again, Bitcoin just doing great, right? Just doing great. Kind of showed you guys the life. We're in the anticipation phase right here. Not too long. April 2024 is when the halving is. So we're in the anticipation phase for that halving. And usually, if you zoom out and you take a look at this, it's this chart here. Whenever you're in the anticipation phase and you front ran that halving, you did fairly well. You did fairly well in the previous cycles. Ethereum right now, not doing all too bad, guys. Trying to hang on to that $2,300 mark. It's in the middle of 2,300. It was up to 24, which is phenomenal. So again, guys, Ethereum doing a-okay if you're taking a look at things on the daily and the weekly. Let me see here. Look at that. Look at that strong chart there. We're coming back up to the next level of resistance is going to be if we can break through this, guys, for Ethereum. Again, the daily time frame, right? If we can get above 24,000, or basically we can maintain 23.5 we can get back up to 25, 26, and that's going to be our next level of resistance according to my charts here. But then again, if that happens and we do pop there, like price action could take us really quickly back up to where we were in the past, like the between $3,500 to $4,000 Ethereum would be absolutely mind-blowing and amazing. And then by that time, if price action for Ethereum got there, like people are just going to be calling bull market again. So again, like, keep an eye out for that. Take profits, profits are there is my motto, not financial advice, but nobody's ever a loser by taking profits. So yeah. Atom right now, though, like I said, up 5.38% on the day. I'm going to say this one more time because I don't get very much time to do this. It took me over almost 2 years, had a lot of fudders telling me about my price predictions or my DCA points. But I've been showing you guys this for a long time. 750, 615, 460, and yes, 80 cents. That was my 4x4 DCA strategy. Hit my 2 to a T. And guess what? Mother effers, I am up tremendously from here to where we are right now. That's 65%. You guys can go kick rocks, eat dirt. Come watch the channel, though. I love my haters too. I just want you guys to do good. That's all. And I'm going to be that guy. I'm going to be totally that guy. Because I didn't just pull that out of my rear. I've been saying that and sticking my neck out for a long time. But it only matters if you're taking profits. If you don't take profits and you see them come and go, then you're just a loser, right? So make sure that you're taking profits while it's there, especially when you're up 65% in less than 60 days. That's 52 days, my friends, that you're up 65%. You got to be a winner. Be a winner. Take profits is my humble suggestion. With that being said, guys, let's go on over to Kujira. Kujira's up 5.43 as well. It's the $3.19. Really fighting with this well that's been selling off. A lot of people kind of just holding firm on that $3 mark. I know I've been watching the Kujira order books on Fin, and that's like been really, really fun to watch. I definitely would suggest you guys do that as well. One of the great things about Kujira is you can literally see the market making happening real time in front of your face, nothing behind the curtains as of right now, because everything's basically on Fin. So if you guys want to check that out, you'll see where the selling is coming from, and you'll see where the support is coming from on their books. Really, really strong price action happening for Kujira right now. Matter of fact, actually, let's go real quickly off this and go take a look at the Kujira Fin. Excuse me. Let me go over here real quickly and just bring up Fin real quick, and you guys can see what I'm talking about. This is their order books right here. You see this? You can see the sell pressure. You can see the sell pressure. You can see the buying support here. If you zoom out, run the 15 minutes, right? You can see everything right here. And don't go freaking out, guys. You ain't seeing nothing crazy with my wallet. This is just one of many wallets. This is my wallet, right? So this is stuff I show you guys. So go ahead and be all nuts if you want. It's not going to get you far. NS or Nutsack token or NSTK doing a great job today. Again, fighting for that top position with price action. It's up 15.98% on the day. Their protocol just went live, or the feature just went live for Kujira, or the NetSat token, or the NSTK token. Again, you can see everything happening in real time right here for that token. Really love watching this. It's super entertaining to see market making happening right in front of your face. This is the magic, my friends. This is the magic that you want to be looking at. Absolutely loving this. But yeah, and there's some other tokens as well that have been doing pretty well. On this site, right? Like if you look at NBTC, it's at 46,939. Guys, look at. Oh my gosh, look at this wick. What happened here? This is on 2 hour. What happened here? Crazy stuff happened here. Holy smokies. Yo, dead. Kujira ecosystem. Anybody that's watching this, tag this button and ask them, what happened here with this wick? Somebody, look at this. Wow. 97,629 on the NBTC pairing. What NBTC USK? Oh my goodness. Anyway, guys, really love Kujira.network. Check them out. Channel sponsor of ours, being transparent as possible. Let's go back to the regular charts right now and take a look at a few other things, and then let's go ahead and call it. Comparing Atom's price action to Solana's is painful. I know. Watch this, right? Let's do that. Man, Solana just ripping people's faces off. I told y'all, I actually did say as well that, Solana I thought was going to do really, really well right now. Solana's up 7.6%. I actually even called it. You guys can go back and take a look. I called these price levels before, and I even called before where I said if it runs past it, it's going to run really, really hard. And guys, it doesn't take a genius. Look here. Small price action in the past when it ripped before, right? We're at previous support and average right here, right? In the past. If it gets above this hill, I don't care what you think about Solana. You better hold on to your britches, because the people that do care and the people that are making the markets for Solana are going to pump that SOB back up. It was like 0.001 NB market buy on empty book. Yeah, is that what it was? Yeah, okay. I didn't look at it too much. I figured that would be it. There's like no liquidity on that. So comparing Atoms. What's up, Brahma? What's up, Ambito? Appreciate you guys being here, by the way. Yeah, but Solana, and people staking or that have Solana made out like bannets recently with the airdrop. So Yeah, yeah, I have some Solana. Like I said, I've not been active in it, but I have some free and clear Solana. Just sits on the Soulflare wallet. I haven't even checked it. I'm probably leaving liquidity, like and letting it just come and go. But it's like one of those things now where I'm just like, whatever. Um, yeah, yeah. Actually, you know what's really funny? Here, this was like when I first started making. Let me see if I can find this real quick. Can I find this real quick? Hold on. Your channel. I think I can find this. Shorts. Where's my shorts? Shorts. Check this out. Look at all those ugly. Look at those ugly. Okay, yeah, here. This is funny. This is kind of funny actually. IBC Gang channel, guys. Hey, check this out, guys. Send my boink back. Boink, guys. If you guys haven't checked out this channel, please do so. It's the IBC Gang channel, Inspire, Believe, Create. We kind of pivoted away from the inner blockchain communication protocol and tried to bring justice to the people. And if we really want people to come into the Cosmos ecosystem, we got to be talking to other people that are not pizza companies within our own neighborhood, especially when we're pizza companies. Right? We can't be selling pizza to other people's pizza shops. But anyway, guys, check this out. This was one of my first ones back when I was mining and stuff like that. Look. I was buying so much Solana back in the day. I was buying so much Solana back in the day. Oh my gosh, that's kind of pathetic, actually. Anyway, it honestly has such nice UX. Phantom Wallet is awesome, and the fast transaction speed are quite nice. Yeah, yeah. Like, hey, I don't care what anybody says. Like, I'm telling you, it's the fastest. There's people that are going to see it succeed, and you can't fight money. Like, you swim against the whales, you're gonna drown, right? Like, don't do that. Um, so yeah, like my free and clear Solana probably really mad at me because I haven't taken a look at my wallet in forever. I have the Soulflare wallet, I think. So I haven't checked that. I gotta go check that out, guys. I gotta go check that. I'm not. Damn it. I'm going to the condo tonight, so I'm not gonna be able to check it out. I gotta check it out tomorrow. I'm gonna check it out tomorrow. Anyway, but yeah, Adam, still, hey, it's above $10, and I've been telling everybody, well, Adam's above $10. You best to be taking profits right now. Like, not financial advice, but Adam's above $10 right now. I think it was above. It was getting close to $11 at one point. It was like 1070 something. So that was amazing. Maneki definitely took more profits again on our staking rewards. So just being transparent about that. Kuji, fighting for its life, like I said before. Juno up 3.73%, is trying to get back up to that 50-cent range, guys. Full transparency. I was an elected member now of the Operation SubDAO. Really appreciate you guys. From the bottom of my heart, like it's a shot in the dark, but we're gonna do our best, right? Already hard at work, jotting down things that I think are really important that I want to bring up to the rest of the members on the other sub DAOs, along with the Operation sub DAOs and the community going forward. I think we have some interesting things to talk about as a community that could actually really be beneficial long term, but it's going to be a grindy road. Like, I'm just going to say, I'm going to put this out there, right? I'm going to put this out there, and look, Adam is dead, so dead. Yeah. Slow fare is old school. That's what I'm talking about. It's like so old. Like, I'm so old. It's like so fair. I mean, God, I hope nothing's wrong with the freaking wallet. Anyway, it's been that long. So I'm gonna put this out there, and I like don't come at me because I know this is a super long shot in the dark. This is my humble opinion. What's happening with Confio and Neutron, I think needs to be an eye opener, a slap in the face for, not like in a bad way, but a slap in the face for everybody else that's out there. One of the things that we have is a shortage of Cosmosm developers in the Cosmos ecosystem, right? And we have kind of like a monopoly or a stranglehold by an entity or two that really do the primary work and the carrying of the load when it comes to Cosmosm implementation or Cosmosm development in the Cosmos ecosystem. I think what's happening right now between the Neutron and Cosmosm relationship should wake up a lot of teams in the conversation of how do they figure out how to implement their own Cosmosm development within their own ecosystems or their own micro ecosystems, right? I definitely think it's so hard because we don't have a lot of funding when it comes to Juno. We don't have a lot of funding. We got Reese, which he's a G. We have a few others that I think we just brought on one other developer that's like our core named Poor Bor. Hopefully he can get on. The community's got to vote him on. I think he's a great ad. Not putting out my endorsements. I got to be neutral with it, but I met him in person. I just think he's a good guy. Nonetheless, I just want to see more developers and more people working within Juno. Obviously now, a little biased, right? But I think there is a conversation to be had with the Juno community. And when it comes to, we should be funding and building our own Cosmwasm company within the community. Problem is, we need to diversify our funds. We need to come up with funds. We need to find a way to actually get more USDC or more stables or whatever. It doesn't have to be USDC. We need to build back. We definitely need to, like, so like stepping stones, right? But like, we need to be thinking about things like that, and like, how can we not only nurture the growth of Cosmos and developers for Juno within the well, not just for Juno, but within the Cosmos community. But how can we also compete and incentivize and appeal to anybody that's willing to possibly be an up and coming Cosmwasm dark, or even learn, right? Like, there's not a lot of Cosmwasm already, like super like high level big brains that are willing or that are actually available. So we need to actually teach them. We need to teach them. Is like, I think the lack is something that we need to address. So like, what do you do, right? If you can't find carpenters, you got to teach carpenters. You got to teach people how to be carpenters so that you can build. And so that's like a really big, I want to figure this out for one of the many things in the Juno ecosystem is figuring that out. Binance market makers will do their thing. Non-Neutron will be fine. Yeah, no. I think Neutron, I'm saying Neutron in Cosmwasm, Neutron and like, they're fine. I think that was a G move. Don't get me wrong. I'm just saying, like, for everybody else, like, I think you guys need to start figuring it out, right? Like, we need to start figuring it out, or else, yeah, there's for them, awesome business move, awesome, like, G, super good move for them. Maybe not so much for everybody else though. And for that reason, like, they need to figure stuff out. I don't know. I'm just saying, like, conversation, right? Like, don't come at me. Just conversation that I've been thinking about. If Atom continues to be crap, will that have a big effect on Neutron? Oh, that's where the I'm sorry. I should probably read before I start commenting. Non-Neutron will be fine. Balance. Yeah, Neutron will be fine. If Atom is shit, Neutron's going to be absolutely fine. Anyway, Evmos. Yeah, let me know what you guys think about that. Anyway, Evmos. I don't know why is this. What the hell is this zero? This is not zero. What? This should not be zero. Hold on 1 second. Oh, you know what I hate? I can't even see. Let me find this on Osmosis. And if I can't find it, assets, pro trading. Hurry up, thing. Evmos. Evmos USDC. Evmos. Yeah, okay. Evmos Osmosis. It's not really a fair comparison, but it's up 6% on the Evmos Osmo pair. Evmos. Are they just flat today? What's going on? Really? Nothing? Or is there something going on with my charts? Evmos. Weird. Where's my, okay, wait. Oh, okay, wait. It's up 16. Evmos to USDC is up 16.24 on Osmosis. So says this new funky chart thing. I don't know if I liked it. I don't know if I like this. Yeah, it says what? Is it up right now? It says it's up right now. I don't know. I don't like this. I don't think I know. Maybe I just need to stop looking at it. Stop looking at it. Anyway, speaking of Osmosis, Osmosis is up 3.9% right here. Tremendous times happening for Osmosis. Good to see. Honestly, good to see. It's up 243% on the charts in 52 days. Tremendous work there, my friends. Injective up 10.42%. Injective has been so strong for a long time, and this is one of them where I called it, but I didn't pull the trigger as much as I should have. First of my first of four, my DCA strategy. This is one of them where I literally want to smack myself. I don't know. I wasn't into the AI stuff. I was just like, whatever, the AI. Like, I'm just whatever. Not AI. I'm sorry. Not I just wasn't in. It was because something happened with the AI. I was just like, fuck. I wasn't paying attention to stuff. But anyway, I should have. I just didn't. But anyway, great. Secret up 4.66%. So that's good. Go off here. ADA doing wow. It's 19.94%. I gotta go ask my mom and dad if they still have their ADA that they were DCAing into from back in the day. Because if I know my parents, they probably just like left that thing going and never checked it. And I'm gonna be like, you should be considering selling something. Let's go off that. Guys, if Ada can pump, geez Louise, Adam, you got problems, man. If Ada can pump like that, come on. Come on. If Adam did 20%, if Adam did 20%, Adam did 20%. Let's just say off the 200 SMA. Nope. I guess it didn't do too bad. If you're looking at it, I guess it didn't do too bad. Geez Louise, though. Yeah, I'm not gonna compare it. I guess it's not doing too bad when you look at it. Akash having its down day. Guys, I redid some of the miners via Klamos. Still not as good as before, but they're running pretty smoothly now. So I'll give them that. Nothing has been hung up. Nothing has been just left hanging as far as running my Zephyr miners via Cloudmos. I'm still running a little bit at a loss, but that's because the providers have raised their fees, and Zeph is now not doing as good as it was, but it's not bad. It's like maybe running at like a $2 loss, but I'm using staking rewards from Proof of Stake to mine a Proof of Work token, which is a Zeph token on Akash, which is pretty cool. And I kind of just like doing it because it's freaking cool. Yeah, so like it's pretty awesome. Akash's metrics have been really skyrocketing though. And you're welcome along with everybody else who's been kind of like calling that out there. I'm just gonna say you're welcome. Shout outs to Joe Abbey. He was one of the first ones. I just ran with that ball. Link doing good, 7.63%, $16.89. Awesome. I know Timmy's really, really happy with that. Let me go down here. Take a look at some other things that are maybe going to catch my eye real fast. I get that. Yeah. You get what? The mining Zeph stuff? Yeah. I'm just, dude, I'm dorking out on it a little bit. Neutron having another okay day. It's down all in all, but it's still up on the day, 0.41, even like perspective, right? Like it came up from here. So it's doing great. I picked up a bag of Neutron. I had to buy it because I didn't get any because I'm a US citizen. But I picked up a bag of Neutron back down here. Absolutely happy I did. DXDY, I did pick up a bag and it's basically still even right now, which I'm not happy about, but it is what it is, right? I'm just going to call it for what it is. I did pick up a small bag of DXDY. And I also picked up a good bag of TIA because I also did not get that. I'm a US resident and I hate you guys for it. Everybody that geo-blocks US residents, I get it, but like, F you guys. I had to buy it, which in any case, I'm still happy that I bought it. I bought it not at the best time, but I did buy it nonetheless, a few dollars down from where it's at right now. And so I'm happy about it, right? And Zeph, I'm mining Zeph. I don't buy Zeph. I just mine Zeph. I probably will never buy Zeph. I will just mine Zeph in its entirety. I just bought some more components for my old mining rigs. By the way, this is a shout out to all Maneki holders so that I can mine at a higher hash and more effectively and efficiently for the Zephyr token. But anyway, guys, that's what I got for today. I got to get out of here. I hope you guys have a wonderful Friday. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share it with your mama, sister, brother, auntie, sister, mother, whoever you want. And with that being said, guys, I wish you guys all the best. I'm going to get out of here. Peace. Adios. I got to go to the opera with my family, and then I got to go to my downtown condo.